Okay, welcome to yet another Arch install video. I'm going to start from here. I've already spun up a virtual machine, 80 gigabytes. I give it 16 gigabytes of memory and 4 processors. So now we start by simply typing Arch install. I'm not going to let you. I'm going to take you up to the end of the install process, but not the actually install itself. Because there's no point in you sitting there for 20 minutes seeing what's going on. Okay. So language default. Let's see. Locals. Keyboard. Back. Mirrors. Mirror region. Come all the way down here to United States. And go back. This configuration, partitioning, use best efforts. Okay, good. ext4. No, everything's going right where in one big partition. Okay, this configuration. No, do I just swap and ZRAM? Sure, why not? I normally don't do that, but bootloader, grub, hostname, root password. User account, add user, yes, let's give me super user accounts there, confirm and exit, user account profile. This is where we pick up, this is where you decide how much stuff you want to install. You can go Xorg, you use server, you go minimal, desktop. I'm going desktop. And I'm going to pick, let's install i3 and KDE Plasma, okay? Graphic driver. Greeter. Okay. Audio. Kernels. Let's just go with the standard kernel. Network configuration. Use network manager. Additional packages. Option repository time zones. Save. Yes. And now it begins. Anyway, that's going to bring this first part of the video to close. I'll be back when it's up and running, okay?